Let's check the stable RJ45 Ethernet 4K streaming setup for VM20 Pro. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into your router or gigabit network switch. Then, connect the other end to the built-in RJ45 port on VM20 Pro. Open your streaming software and select VM20 Pro as the network video source. Now you can get smooth 4K streaming via wired Ethernet network easily.